In this video, I'll show you how to send Solana from Crypto.com to your Phantom wallet. First, open your Phantom wallet and make sure you're on the Solana network. At the top of the wallet, copy your Solana wallet address by tapping the address or selecting the Receive option. This is the address where your SOL will be sent. Next, open the Crypto.com app and go to Accounts. Then tap Crypto Wallet. Find Solana, SOL, in your list of assets and tap on it. After that, select Withdraw, then choose External Wallet. If you haven't added your Phantom wallet before, tap Add Wallet Address. Paste the Solana address you copied from Phantom and confirm it. Crypto.com may ask you to verify the address using email confirmation or two-factor authentication. Once the wallet is added, select it from the list, enter the amount of SOL you want to send, and review the transaction details. Make sure the Solana network is selected, then confirm the withdrawal. After the transaction is processed, the SOL will arrive in your Phantom wallet once the network confirms it. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.